Your home is your greatest investment, but the elements are relentless. Over time, moisture and settling can devastate your stucco, especially at the ground level, leaving your property vulnerable, cracked, and weathered. At Plastering Solutions Inc., we don't just patch, we protect. We specialize in upgrading the lower portion of your stucco walls using high-grade materials specifically designed to withstand moisture and impact. Our team ensures a seamless bond that strengthens your home's foundation and restores its structural integrity from the ground up. Quality craftsmanship is in our DNA. Once the foundation is set, we bring the vision to life. Our exterior painting service uses premium, weather-resistant coatings with meticulous preparation, sanding, priming, and sealing to ensure a vibrant finish that lasts for years. With years of experience, we treat every home as if it were our own. Ready to revitalize your exterior? Contact Plastering Solutions Inc. today for a free consultation. Plastering Solutions Inc. Building beauty that lasts. At Plastering Solutions, we take pride in the homes we touch and the homeowners we work for.